One of the big issues that we've been discussing in the Environment Committee this week and in the Parliament generally is public procurement. This is the set of rules that govern the contracts put out by any public bodies for goods or services. At the moment, it's easy for big businesses to apply for those contracts, but it's much harder for small businesses and for voluntary organisations. When we were in government in Wales, we succeeded in getting 50% of those contracts sourced in Wales. In other words, the contracts went into the Welsh economy. It creates £4 billion a year for the Welsh economy. If we could get that figure up to 75%, it would be an extra £1 billion a year for Wales. I was very pleased to welcome representatives from voluntary organisations and from the Wales Council for Voluntary Action here in Brussels too, to talk about how we can make it easier for voluntary organisations to bid for those contracts as well. It's very important for us to be more flexible, to enable small companies, small organisations to provide the services, something they are so good at doing and something that we need to create more jobs and a stronger economy.